You clicked a suspicious link. Did that single tap instantly hack your phone? Usually no. But what happens next can decide whether the scam fails or whether your password, money, or account ends up in someone else's hands. Here is the process, step by step. First, the link opens a website controlled by the scammer. It may look almost identical to a bank, delivery company, social network, government service, or email login page. The page is built to make you stop thinking and start reacting. It might say your package is delayed, your account will be suspended, a payment failed, or you must verify something immediately. At this point, the click itself may not have stolen your password. The real theft often begins when the page asks you to type. You enter an email address and password. The fake page sends them directly to the attacker. Some scams then ask for a one-time security code. That code may be helping the attacker sign in to your real account. If you share it or approve a login notification, the attacker may get past the extra security step, change your recovery details, and lock you out. Other pages ask for card information, bank details, an address, or identification data. That information can be used for fraudulent payments, identity theft, or more convincing scams later. There is another possible path. The site may ask you to download a file, install an application, allow notifications, or grant unusual permissions. That can expose the device to malware or repeated scam messages. Simply opening a page does not automatically mean the entire phone is compromised, but a harmful site can still try to trigger a download, abuse outdated software, or persuade you to approve something dangerous. So what should you do if you already clicked? If you only opened the page and did nothing else, close it. Do not return to check it again. Check whether anything downloaded and remove unfamiliar files or applications. Update your browser, operating system, and security software. Run a security scan if your device supports one. If you entered a password, change it immediately through the real website or official app. Change it anywhere else you reused it, sign out of other sessions, and turn on multi-factor authentication. If you shared a security code or approved a login, check the account's recent activity and recovery details. If you entered card or bank information, contact the financial provider immediately and monitor the account. Report the message as phishing, then delete it. So, what happens when you click a scam link? The click opens the door, but the scam usually succeeds through the next action: typing, downloading, sharing, or approving. Pause before that next step. That small pause can be the difference between closing a fake page and losing control of a real account. If the link arrived through WhatsApp, watch our previous video next.